Welcome to ONEXIA!
This is so cool. Come on!
My name is Greg SELKE. I started this company in 1984. There are really two primary parts to ONEXIA. On the one hand, we operate as an industrial controls distributor, which means that we represent a number of different manufacturers who make products that are really useful for machine automation. These things include servo motors and controls, machine safety devices, robots, and other things like that. The other portion of our business is where we design and build custom machines, custom automated machines for our customers. And these include the products that we sell and the robots, along with a lot of other components.
My name is Vincent KANE. I'm a mechanical engineer. So I had the idea in my head, and we'll start by producing a set of features, then incorporates those features into a design that we can produce out on our shop floors.
My name is DEBARBERIE. I'm a level 1 machinist.
I get the design from the engineer. I select everything and set it as a feature so the program can see it, just to double check and make sure we've got everything plugged in right, and we can see how the toolpath is going to go.
I think the lesson that we can learn from everybody here and everybody you've interviewed so far is that we don't know how we're going to end up where we're going to end up. Everyone who's gotten here at ONEXIA has done so by being a problem solver and continuing to learn over time. We live in an age where technology is at our fingertips. We're so fortunate to be able to have the answer only a Google away at any given time. So I hope that you guys continue to take advantage, continue to have a thirst for learning, and be lifelong learners, because you have to be ready to switch gears.